Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tacos out of paper. First, gather your essential crafting supplies like colored paper, scissors, and glue. Select paper in warm tones such as yellow or light brown to create realistic taco shells. Then, prepare smaller pieces of green, red, and white paper. These will become your delicious paper fillings. This simple setup ensures you have everything needed to begin your fun paper taco project. Now let's create the taco shell. Take your chosen paper and cut a circle approximately 6 inches in diameter. This size works well for a handheld paper taco. Carefully fold this circle exactly in half, forming the classic taco shape. To help it hold its form, apply a small, thin line of glue along the inside of the folded edge and press gently. This ensures your shell stays perfectly open for fillings. With your shell ready, it's time for the fun part, adding the fillings. Use green paper to cut thin, wavy strips mimicking fresh lettuce. Next, take your red paper and snip it into tiny, irregular squares to create the appearance of diced tomatoes. Finally, shred some white paper into fine strands for a convincing cheese topping. Arrange these colorful elements inside your paper taco shell for a vibrant look. To complete your paper taco, gently secure all the colorful fillings inside the shell with a tiny dot of glue. This prevents them from falling out and keeps your creation neat. For an extra touch of realism, you might even add small, crumpled pieces of brown paper to represent ground meat. Your paper taco is now finished and ready for display or imaginative play. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.